Hey guys, welcome to Just for Fun Art. Today we're going to be doing an exclusive episode.
We are going to be drawing instead of painting.
We're going to be doing this masterpiece right here, courtesy of yours truly. My sister helped finish the ocean, because I was too lazy. So we're going to be drawing an octopus under the ocean.
So what are we going to start off?
We're going to start off with kind of like an oval shapey thingy. And then you're going to kind of curve it and do that.
So we want it to be a little bit in, right? Go in a little bit. Yeah, it's always okay for most anybody to mess up. It actually improves your learning. So
Okay.
now you just learned something. So it should kind of.
I thought I made this painting.
It's not a painting anyway. So it should kind of look like that. We are still going to improve a little.
Then what we're going to do is we're going to just draw a line connecting the bottom. And that's the top of your octopus. And so now we're going to start doing the octopus tentacles. Being an octopus.
Okay.
Make sure you're counting. You only want 8 legs.
Right now I've only done 2.
I've only done 1.
So, okay. So how many do you have?
I have 3. How many do you have?
I have 4. So we are trying to do 8.
Whoa, yours looks amazing.
So this is one way that you could do your octopus.
My octopus is very skinny.
He likes skinny octopus.
No, I don't. He's been on a diet.
He's been on a
too
diet.
fat. His head was like the size of the paper, and his tentacles were like the size of.
That's like a real octopus. Okay, whatever.
What you're gonna do next is you're gonna start that piece of kelp. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw a wavy line going all along.
You can do more kelp. I'm gonna do more kelp.
I'm only doing a few pieces. And this piece. Okay, welcome back. Now that
I'm
we're
going
done,
to show you.
the best thing ever.
So mine has a little smile. You can see his eyes. I erased them. But this is what the kelp should look like, or it should look like that.
My guy's in like a little kelp forest. There's some kelp behind him.
I might do that
Okay.
after this episode.
Okay. Now that you're done with that, we are going to color this bad boy in.
So let's get our colors.
For the octopus,
You
You're
can use
gonna
whatever
want-
color you want, but we are going to use orange.
I'm going to use orange.
This is I picked that. I picked this orange first.
I
You should
want to
pick.
see what color this orange is.
So after he's done.
Fine.
Good.
I
Got a new color. So if you messed up a little mistakes and you can see it like you can see mine, it is honestly okay because you're going to color over it. It is going to be perfectly fine.
I need super duper dark. No, we're not doing that. Okay, we are done coloring in our octopus. Now your octopus should look something like this,
His is more
or
red.
like this.
So if
Now-
you saw that, now we are going to do kelp. So I outlined mine with black. So that is what you might want that to.
Okay, now that we're back from finishing the kelp,
This is an extra long episode. We are sorry, but this is.
It's probably gonna be quicker. Let's get the speed.
Okay.
This is what your should look like.
Oh, it should look like this.
Now we're going to do the biggest part yet.
The
ocean.
background and / ocean. So you can add fish in your background. I might.
This is the biggest
I'm
part.
gonna add a rainbow cyan. Yeah.
Shoot.
I'm gonna add a rainbow cyan fish. Have you ever heard of that?
No.
Look up cyan. There's usually such thing as a cyan cat if you play Roblox or Minecraft. Cyan sheep, Minecraft. Cyan cat, Roblox. Okay? Continue.
Okay, ready for the biggest speed up of all? Also, you're gonna have to
Pause.
a lot. Okay, ready, set, 3,
Wait!
2.
You can take your colors first. 1, go!
Yay! Beat on the black, beat on the black, beat on the black with the baseball bat. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh.
That is good.
What?
That is good. Like he's. Devin, look up. Oh my god! It only been 3 minutes.
Ready to say hi? Yes. Is it too late now to say
It's
sorry?
only been 1.
Is it too late now to say sorry? Okay, guys. Finally, we're done with
This is literally a short movie. You want to see my cyan fish? I forgot what they're called for a second. This is what mine looks like.
And this is what mine
Cyan
looks
fish
like.
in the background.
This is what mine looks like.
So, our dog has an Instagram account called Frank's Kania.
No,
And
it's
he-
called Frank's in
Frankles in Florida.
Florida. No, Frank's. Just plain
Frank's in Florida, and this is him. He is sunbathing. If
Like
you want
he always
to,
does.
you can subscribe to his channel. And
He doesn't have a channel.
well,
You can just like him. and
Like
follow
him. Follow him. Anything. Hello.
Oh,
But some people do.
a quotation from Pablo Picasso is this: kids are artists. The problem is to remain an artist once you grow up.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for watching. This is our longest video before we add in those speed ups. Right now it is 56 minutes and 27 seconds. So thanks for watching. Come back next time just for fun art. Subscribe, like and subscribe.
Make sure to subscribe. I just whipped it up, but you can kind of see the scraps of it.
Come back next time. Bye.